Hey guys, welcome back to my Vortex channel. If you've ever thought about getting into mining but felt overwhelmed by the gear, the setup, the noise, or the electric bills, this one's for you. Today, I am very excited as we're diving deep into a compact but powerful mining device from Goldshell. It's called BYTE. Think of it as your personal crypto cube. It's smart, efficient, beginner-friendly. I already got mine and can't wait to share my experience with you. Let's dive into details.
First off, Goldshell isn't some random name. They've been around since 2017, building out compact miners that work for everyday users. Their official site is goldshell.com if you want to browse the full lineup, but today we're locked in on BYTE, their most flexible, most user-friendly miner to date. Let's start with size and weight. BYTE weighs under 2 kilos, that's lighter than your laptop, and is about the size of a small lunchbox. Seriously, you could fit this thing on a bookshelf and forget it's even there. Compared to the older Mini Dog or Box series, BYTE wins in every category. Smaller, smarter, and better value for the price. But let's answer the big question. Why mine in the first place? Well, with mining, you're not just speculating. You're generating actual crypto daily. It's like owning a digital faucet, DOGE, ALEO, or whichever coin you choose. And it keeps dripping into your wallet. You can hold, sell, swap, reinvest, or cash out depending on your strategy. Now imagine you buy BYTE today for a few $100. You plug it in, setup takes literally 3 to 5 minutes, and it starts earning. Here is my box, let's unbox it together. Very excited. What you see here is the hashboard casing with a built-in cooling fan from a Goldshell BYTE miner. It holds the hashboard inside, and the fan helps cool the chips. The side with ports connects to the main control board. Slide the hashboard modules into the miner case, plug them in, and close the case. Important. There's no Ethernet port, only USB-C for power and left-right ports for the internal hashboards. You control it over Wi-Fi. Setup is easy using the Goldshell app or the miner's web UI once it's connected to your Wi-Fi. You hear the fan working? It means it is on and ready to go and generate some profits for us. You can see it here inside the hub. Right now, it brings in around $2 per day based on current market rates. That's $60 a month. But here's where it gets interesting. Dogecoin, for example, is trading about 5 to 6 times below its all-time high. When it climbs back, that daily $2 could become $10 or more without changing anything. And ALEO, it's not even live on major exchanges yet. You're mining it before the masses even hear about it. That's where BYTE gives you leverage. BYTE isn't just a plug-and-play toy. It's modular. It comes with swap-in algorithm cards. Let's say the coin you're mining cools off. No problem. You just switch the card, pivot to another algorithm, and keep earning. No need to replace the whole unit. That's real adaptability. Let's talk dual mining. BYTE lets you mine 2 coins at once. And here's the kicker. It does that without increasing electricity use. That means double the coins, same power bill. Efficiency is everything in mining, and BYTE nails it. Now, what about heat, noise, and power? BYTE is built for quiet, home-friendly mining. It runs at low noise levels, way below a hairdryer or even your gaming PC fans. Heat output, minimal. You can literally run this in your bedroom or office without it becoming a space heater. Power consumption is low. We're talking home setup friendly, even if you're in an apartment. It's nothing like the old noisy miners pulling kilowatts of power and tripping your breakers. You won't notice a spike on your bill. That's why BYTE is great even for beginners or people who don't want to mess with high voltage rigs. Let's zoom out. From an investment standpoint, BYTE is a blockchain native savings engine. You're stacking small coins daily. It feels small, but it builds, just like buying tiny amounts of stock each day. And when those coins pump, or when the market flips bullish again, your bag is already full. That's the key. The work is done early. The payoff comes later. You can hold Doge, ALEO, or swap them for USDT. You can roll them into high APY DeFi, or simply stack for long-term gains. The coins are yours. You control your future growth. And look, This isn't just about mining. BYTE represents something bigger, a new category of consumer tech. It's crypto gear that feels like a lifestyle product. It's simple to use, kind of fun, and it brings decentralization to your desk, like a personal desktop ATM that prints coins instead of bills. Let's be fair for a sec. Yeah, revenue varies. Markets are volatile, and algorithm card swaps are manual. But overall, for the price, flexibility, and ease of use, BYTE's a beast. You're not gambling. You're building quietly, safely, daily. Bottom line, Goldshell BYTE is your entry point into the future of mining. Compact, quiet, efficient, powerful, and packed with upside. This is how you get ahead of the next bull cycle. This is your early ticket to altcoin glory. So if you're ready to start small and grow smart, check out the link below to grab your BYTE now. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. We've got more mining gear reviews, crypto tools, and market strategies coming your way. See you in the next one.